Welcome to the Flickr Virtual Anatomy and Dissection Lab at Moravian University. This cutting-edge facility offers an immersive and interactive learning experience, allowing you to explore human anatomy like never before. At its core is the anatomage table, a state-of-the-art tool for digitally dissecting human and animal anatomical models, providing the benefits of real donors without the limitations. The lab also features anatomical models, bones, and tools for hands-on learning, alongside virtual and augmented reality technologies to enhance your understanding. Used by health science, rehabilitation science, biology, neuroscience, and nursing majors, this lab is your gateway to the future of anatomical education. Recent updates to the anatomage table at Moravian University allow students to explore human anatomy in unprecedented detail. Integrated with the Simulation Center, the Flickr Virtual Anatomy and Dissection Lab enhances hands-on skills before practicing on task trainers or patients, boosting student confidence and learning outcomes. Students can study muscle function, cardiac conditions, cerebral blood flow, stroke effects, and arthroscopic joint views, among other topics.
The Anatomage Lab adds another layer of education to a student's degree. You're not just learning from a textbook. Students get the opportunity to interact with real human tissue that's been scanned into the Anatomage system. I get great feedback from the students on how learning on the table has helped them understand instead of memorize the content.
As a physical therapy student at Moravian, my goal is to be the best physical therapist for myself, but obviously more so for my patients as well. Thankfully, Moravian uses a lot of advanced and innovative technology to help us in our classes. The anatomage table is one of those advanced technologies we were able to use. I spent countless hours outside of class using it, and obviously in class we learned a lot from our professors.
I really like that it's super interactive and you can change the view and look at things from different planes. So you can see the ligament from one angle and then just do a whole 360 and see it from a different angle.
Being able to use such innovative technology in a world of change has been integral to my learning. As a DPT student, I use the anatomage table to take a deeper look at muscles, nerves, arteries, all of the systems in the body to be able to become a better clinician for my patients.